There's a coffee twist to Journal Friday today. Grab your cup of coffee and come and join me. It's Journal Friday. Today's recording is from yesterday, as in Thursday, and we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Support my channel even more by watching the video in full, liking it, commenting, and go watch a playlist or two. So let's set the page up for today. I've decided to do a double page spread today, but the left of the page is going to be set up with my regular page setup. And now we wet the page, and here comes the fun part. So I just literally poured neat instant coffee onto the wet paper, and I'm now spreading it out with my damp paintbrush, and I'm using the diluted bit that's already on my brush to do the left side of the page. And while the paper was still wet on the right side, I then poured more coffee to create a different effect. The only thing I don't like about it is that when it is dry, the neat coffee, when it's wet and dries like acrylic. It's a bit tacky and sticky, like there's some, maybe it's gum arabic they use. I'm not sure, but it leaves this residue that doesn't particularly dry. I don't know if you've noticed that when you've tried it. I also added some salt, and I'm now using my heat gun to dry the page. I have to say it took a while to dry, but this is what it looks like when it's finished. Click the two videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.